Wow, you're baking, Rafa. Okay, and then you add another egg. Huh? Wait, don't squish it. You knock it. Knock, knock. Knock. Ah! And careful. Wow. And then you mix again. Good job, Ra. Good mixing. More. Mix it more. And then last egg. One more egg?
More.
More. Oh, wait, don't squish. Don't squish. You knock it. Whoa! And then squish. You mix. We're busy, yes. Huwag ka maingay, binibideo ko. Oh. Good job. You mix more. Mix. Mix. Mix, 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 mix. Right? Good job. And then, after we mix that, what do we need? I'll put some vanilla. Wait, please. You let Mama do it. Mommy needs to measure. You hold this one. Right? Okay. Pour. No, dirty ka na, Rafa. Later, Mommy let you do again. Okay. Okay, thank you. Pour it. Dirty ka na. Yung buong counter ko, dirty na.
Mix again.
Again, mix again. Good job. Mix again. Hey. Wait, don't put it there. No. Not like that. No, you leave it there and then Mommy scoop. And put it here. And then you mix. You scoop for Mommy. I count. 1, 2. Wait, don't make a mess sa counter ni Mama. Paano na yung cake natin? 3. Put some more. Can you get some more? 4. And some more. Oh no, ba't madilip dyan? Good job. Nice work, Rafa. Oh no, you're making a mess everywhere, Rafa. You mix na. That's your job. You mix. Mix na. You mix this first. You're not yet done. You mix first. You're adding some more. Careful. Wait lang. Let Mommy help you. Wait, Clara. Wait, please.